Hi guys, welcome to the show. So great for you to come here today. Thanks. Lovely to see you. Now, we're going to be making some crazy faces. Look, I got this head here. I got some cheeks. I got some ears, a neck, and he's wearing a sweater. But that's it. I got no face, got no hair, got no glasses, no nose, nothing. No mouth, nothing. So, let's put some on. What do you think? Okay, let's do it. First off, here's some green hair. Do you have green hair? I don't have green hair. I wish I had green hair. I think that'd be really cool. I don't have it. Anyway, no problem. I can always change my hair color, I suppose. And I always wanted, but I never had them, some red glasses. I like those. They're star glasses. Hey, it makes me feel like a star. Ooh, all shiny and bright. And they're red. I think those are pretty cool. And I like the black lenses as well. Now, I think I need something under the glasses. I'm going to find a nose. Oh, there we go. And this girl, green hair. This girl is very surprised to see us. And so, a big open mouth. Oh, hello. Hello, who are you? Well, I'm here, I just made you. I didn't. Oh, he's very nice. I've been waiting to speak to someone for such a long time. Well, it's very nice to see you. It's lovely to fantastic. I can't believe it. Look. Oh, you got my red glasses as well. I love those red glasses. And I got green hair. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, I always wanted to have green hair. What's your name? Oh, my name's Alice. Alice. Yeah, my name's Alice. Oh, it's very nice to meet you, Alice. It's very nice to meet you too. Oh, I think, you know what I'm going to go? I'm going to go and have an ice cream. Oh, that's a very good idea, Alice. Okay, bye-bye.